Day, everyone. Well, if you're using Claude AI, then do not do this mistake. So, if you're using Claude AI for your business, for your job, for your class, then you should keep memory if you want to. To enable the memory, you need to click on the left on icon, top left corner, and then at the bottom right corner, you have the settings icon. And here you will find profile capabilities. Click on capabilities and select generate memory from chat history. Allow Claude to remember relevant context from your chats. This setting controls memory for both chats and project. So if you want to chat with Claude AI and you want to keep the memory, then it should be turned on. All right, so this is a very important setting. You can turn it off and turn it on. All right. So if you find this video useful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.